Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this problem on HP. So that simply means you have a paper jam in your machine. So HP 500 LaserJet 500 MF, okay, M525. Okay, what first step? You pull out the tray, put out the tray down. So I wanna put for you. Now you can see there is also a paper jam here. They tried to put it in a bypass. Okay. Put it here. They did a lot of mess up. Okay. You press that. You can see there is a small paper there up. So I've just pressed here. You see, you press this. Press that, then the tray get exposed. Okay, you can see I'm gonna put my hand there and take out this one. It could be the coals or something else. Okay, once we're done with that, I have to take out one of the things here. So okay. Okay, there's a paper somewhere here, but I'm gonna take out also the cartridge. Okay, I took out the cartridge, and after taking out the cartridge,
So this one is
so now you can see there's a couple of papers here. There's this one. You pull it a bit gentle, you don't rush it. You make sure when you take out the paper nothing is torn. You get me? If nothing is torn, then we're fine. You go down here, you can see this. There's another paper here, you can see it. So I have to pull this one also out a bit nicely, smooth. You can feel that it can get torn, something which is not good. If it gets torn, it's gonna be a problem because it might give us paper jam stuff which we don't know. Okay, right, we're done with this. So we don't need something like this. You can see this, it's one of the stress. So I've cleaned this part, but I'm not 100% sure that I'm done. So I'm gonna go by the back and I check if there's something. Okay, open there. See something white, but I'm not sure. Close. Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna test. Okay, since we're done with this, put that back. That's back, and this back. Then after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the toner. Okay, after putting the toner, close here. I'm gonna put the tray back. I'm on video. Oh yeah, so after putting the tray back, you can see what I was saying. Some of the stress, don't allow anyone to touch this machine. So something like this can hide somewhere, then you can't see it. Then it's a stress. some of those. Yeah. So okay, guys. Then we put in the tray. After putting the tray, let's see what we're gonna get. Exit. Now the machine cleared, and still we're getting. You can see we're getting pages. I think something was damaged inside. You can see all of this. All of this. So the machine is 100% fine now. You can see. Well, you've seen how to do that. So I'm gonna make a copy now. Those are printouts they made before. Ma'am, can I print something? Copy? Yeah, I wanna make a copy. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna make a copy now. Gonna make copy. Make, I 5 copy. So copy. Let's see if it's gonna make copies. I took that. Okay. Thanks, man. So see. It jams now. Something happened also, but that's the way you take out the paper jam. Let me see where it's jammed. There's no paper jam here, but I can see the paper down there. Check out this. You can see started jamming now. Now we're gonna face a challenge whereby this half is being cut. So you can see the half is cut, so it's gonna be a major issue. So what we do, close that, close this, press here, take out the tray. Okay, then you press this. When that falls, you can see we don't see that. Okay, so one trick worked in the first place. This time we can't see that. So what's gonna happen now? It's gonna be another issue whereby we're gonna try to take it out. So this is gonna take more time to fix, but anyway, you've seen what to do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.